Ayan, Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus placements, and of course, ating mga cross-watchers. Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Welcome back po dito sa Bono Magos PH. Ayan, my name is Angel Francia Feliciano. Now, in today's video, Gemini, alamin natin kung ano ang magiging kapalaran ninyo, ano ang mga mensahe at gabay para sa iyo para sa buwan ng Disyembre 2025. Paalala lang Gemini at sa lahat po ng ibang zodiac signs na nanonood, cross-watchers, lahat po ng readings ko dito sa YouTube ay general reading lamang po. So, ibig pong sabihin, hindi po lahat ay makaka-resonate. Kunin nyo lang kung saan kayo nag-resonate, Gemini, at iwan yung hindi. Alright, let's start with your tarot cards. And then, kukuha din ako ng mga oracle cards for your main energy at mga ibang aspeto na yung buhay. Alright, first you have the Queen of Pentacles. Next, Gemini, you have the Ace of Cups. Next, you have the Devil. And you have the Hangman. Okay. Now, for your oracle card, this is your main energy this month. Tignan natin kung anong lalabas for Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus placement. All right, meron na. What is this? Whoa, you have the milk and honey. Wow. Okay. Now, next, ano naman ang spirit animal lang gumagabay sa ating mga Gemini this month? At ano ang mensahe for Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus placement? You have the busy hummingbird. Okay, sweetness, excitement, and cheerfulness. So, mamaya explain ko yan. Okay, next. Para naman sa romance and love, ano ang mensahe para sa ating mga Geminis for this month, December 2025. Gemini, you have alone time. Now for your money, for your money and career, what's the message? Ano ang kapalaran, mensahe at gabay for our Gemini? Gemini, you have student. Ooh, okay. I think yung iba sa inyo may pinag-aaralan. Okay? So, alright, Gemini, let's start. Alright, Gemini, let's start with your main energy this month. You have milk and honey. Okay. Now, Gemini, ang energy mo ngayong December, ngayong buwan na ito, December 2025, ay napakaganda. Puno ng abundance, emotional renewal, at sweet blessings. Pero may kasamang malalim na inner awakening at pagputol ng mga bagay na matagal ka nang hinihila pababa. Alright, so ang milk and honey card ay simbolo ng comfort, blessings, prosperity, emotional sweetness, and divine support. Ibig sabihin, this month ay may mga oportunidad na magbibigay sa'yo ng pakiramdam na finally, things are flowing again. Pero, dahil lumabas ang the devil and the hangman, may mahalagang twist. Okay? Hindi mo na fully aangat ang lahat hanggat hindi mo pinapakawalan ang isang toxic pattern, fear, or attachment. So, parang sinasabi ng universe sa'yo ngayon, handa na ang blessings, pero kailangan mo munang i-align ang sarili mo para matanggap sila ng buo. Okay, so let's break it down. Okay, let's start with the Queen of Pentacles with the milk and honey. So, now Gemini, the Queen of Pentacles, this is about stability, comfort, and self-value. So, ngayong buwan, December 2025, mas magiging practical ka, mas grounded at wise sa mga decisions mo. So, mas nagiging confident ka rin, mas alam mo na ang worth mo, mas nagiging protective ka sa energy mo. And yung iba naman sa'yo may focus sa home, sa finances, at long-term security. So, parang gumaganda ulit ang sistema mo, emotionally, spiritually, and financially. Now, with the Ace of Cups, okay, with the Ace of Cups, this means new emotional blessing, healing, and overflow. So, ito ang big emotional reset mo ngayong buwan. Pwede itong new relationship, a new emotional chapter, reconciliation, deep healing, or creative inspiration. This month, maraming moments na ang gaan-gaan bigla kahit may mga challenges sa labas. The universe is opening your heart chakra. Okay, now with the devil, this is breaking cycles for you. Okay. Could also be temptations sa iba. Could also be fears. Ito ang blind spot mo this month, Gemini. May isang bagay na kailangan mong bitawan. It could be a toxic pattern. It could be overthinking, fear of loss, unhealthy attachment, obsession sa isang bagay or tao. Could also be just negativity or negative self-talk. Hindi ka papabayaan ng universe, though, right? But, hindi ka papabayaan ng universe. Pero, kailangan mo itong maging aware. Kailangan na aware ka dito para ma-unblock ang mga blessings na paparating sa'yo. So, parang sinasabi sa'yo ngayon ng universe, hindi lahat ng sugat. Okay? Literal na sugat. Minsan kulang ka lang sa pahinga at sa pagbitaw. Alright, now with the hangman, this means pause for you. For some of you, this could be realizations or divine timing. So, some of you, December will give you big spiritual downloads. Ito yung buwan na may enlightenment na mangyayari, may change of perspectives na mangyayari, may clarity sa dati mong hindi maintindihan, at yung iba sa inyo magkakaroon ng aha moment. Ang pinaka-importante, natatanggal ang pressure. Hindi mo kailangang magmadali. Everything is aligning perfectly. Okay, so, wait lang mga madam. Sir. So, overall message for you here, Gemini, is the universe is preparing you a sweet, abundant month. Okay? Basta magbitaw ng isa o dalawang patterns na hindi na nagsiserve sa'yo. You know, milk and honey is pure blessing. Queen of Pentacles is stability. And Ace of Cups is emotional opening. The devil is the chain to break, and the hangman is enlightenment. So kapag nag-align yung lima na yan, December becomes a month of a breakthrough. So sa money and career, may opportunity na papasok na stable and long-term. Hindi ito biglaan, pero very secure. May chance ng dagdag income or improve financial flow. Iwas lang sa impulsive spending. Ito ang babantayan ng devil card, okay? Mas magiging practical ka at mas confident sa decisions mo. Now, sa love or with your emotions, Ace of Cups, this means new love for some of you. This could also be with your passion or emotional healing. Kung may past pain ka, the Hangman gives clarity and closure. Milk and honey, this means sweet moments, kilig, and intimacy. There's a warning with the devil. Huwag babalik sa old patterns like jealousy, fear, or overgiving. Nasa family or home, masaya, warm, at peaceful ang energy ng bahay. Pwede rin may celebration or bonding. Queen of Pentacles, lalo na around Christmas. Okay. Christmas holiday. Now with the Queen of Pentacles, focus sa comfort and home aesthetics. Now sa spirituality, malakas ang intuition mo this month. The Hangman, this is spiritual awakening. Ace of Cups, heart chakra opening ito. And with the milk and honey, divine gifts. Answered prayers. Wow, so claim this answered prayers. So perfect month for manifestation. So blessings are flowing, no? But release what is blocking your heart this month. Gemini. So may clarity, may blessings, may healing, at higit sa lahat, may kapalit ang lahat ng mga pinagdadaanan mo. So Gemini, December 2025 will feel like a soft landing after a long storm. Wow. Okay, punta tayo now sa animal spirit na gumagabay sa'yo. Gemini, you have the busy hummingbird. Okay, so ngayong buwan, Gemini, isang espiritu ang sumisimbolo o gumagabay sa iyo, hummingbird, at ito ay sumisimbolo ng lightness, joy, quick movement, and spiritual sweetness. So ito ay perfect match sa main energy mo with the milk and honey na nagbibigay ng malinaw na mensahe. Take a break, breathe, and enjoy the sweetness of your journey. So hummingbird, ibig sabihin para sa iyo, swiftness. So, bilis ng energy, bilis ng blessings. So, ngayong month na ito, mabilis ang galaw ng energy sa paligid mo. Mabilis ang mga opportunities, mabilis ang mga realizations, mabilis ang mga emotional shifts, mabilis ang clarity. Kaya kailangan mo rin maging mabilis, mag-adjust para hindi ka mapagod o ma-burn out. Ang hummingbird ay nagsasabi, hindi mo kailangan pagurin ang sarili mo para ma-achieve ang gusto mo. Allow things to flow. Okay? Now, another is excitement. So, may bagong kilig, bagong spark, bagong inspirasyon. Kasama ng Ace of Cups, this card confirms may bagong excitement sa puso mo, may bagong emotional blessing, may healing na nagbibigay saya, may biglang opportunity na magpapasaya sa'yo. Ito yung tipong bigla kang mapapangiti for no reason because something good is coming. Another is cheerfulness, okay, healing vibrations. The hummingbird brings joy medicines. Ito ang antidote. Okay. Ito yung antidote sa bigat ng devil energy and the emotional stagnation ng Hangman. Kung may toxic habits, fears, overthinking, or heavy emotions ka lately, ang hummingbird energy will help you lift out of it. Lift your spirit gently. So choose joy, choose light, choose what makes your heart flutter. Now, iugnay natin tong mga tarot cards. Let's start with the Queen of Pentacles. So, this means balance between responsibility and joy. Huwag masyadong maging serious. Enjoy small pleasures. Grounded stability plus light-hearted energy ito. So, alagaan ang katawan this month. Enjoy ang comfort and treat yourself. Now, with the Ace of Cups, Gemini, ito ang pinakamalakas na combination. This means new love, new emotional beginning, new inspiration, overflow of affection, renewed trust in life, and the hummingbird is the messenger of sweet emotional moments. Okay, now let's move on to Devil card plus the hummingbird. This means, mabibreak mo yung chains of negativity na nangyayari sa buhay mo. So, ito ang gabay mo para maka-escape ka sa mga overthinking, fear of loss, mga unhealthy attachments, pressure siguro or guilt, and then for some of you, baka perfectionism. So, sinasabi niya, rise above your fears, you will fly higher. Okay, now with the Hangman, Gemini, this confirms a beautiful spiritual awakening. So, Gemini, may big shift sa mindset mo ngayong buwan na ito. Okay, a new perspective, a new understanding. This could also mean letting go na, for some of you, surrendering, emotional release din. The hummingbird tells you to surrender to the moment and trust the timing, no? So, again, so sa love life, light, sweet, magaan, may kilig moments or emotional renewal. Perfect month para mag-heal from past pain. With the Ace of Cups, this is a new romantic opening, right? Now sa career, may swiftness na mangyayari. May mga quick opportunities. May biglaang offer, idea, or inspiration, pero wag mag-rush, okay? Stay grounded like the Queen of Pentacles. Now, sa spirituality, napakalakas ng guidance mo dito. With your intuition, signs, synchronicities, ayan, dreams, and downloads. So, now sa health naman na emotional, may emotional healing na mangyayari. Magkakaroon ng reduced stress, yung malalim ng mga tao, mga Gemini natin dyan na laging nai-stress, marireduce. Magiging mas masaya ka, papasok ang joy, and magkakaroon ng better energy flow sa katawan mo. But some of you also need to rest for more and take small breaks then. So, punta na tayo sa love and romance, Gemini. Okay. You have alone time. Okay, so, ang love energy mo ngayong buwan ay napakalalim, Gemini. Hindi lang siya tungkol sa relasyon, kundi tungkol sa emotional clarity, healing, at pagbitaw sa mga lumang patterns para umusbong ang bagong simula para sa'yo. So, the universe wants you to pause right now. Mag-reflect at i-reset yung puso mo. So, hindi ito separation, hindi ito ending, hindi ito paglayo. Ito ay kumbaga emotional pause para makita mo kung ano ang tunay mong nararamdaman at kung ano ang kailangan mo sa pag-ibig. So, ang alone time ay mensahe na kailangan mo ng space, kailangan mo ng mental and emotional clarity, kailangan mong ibalik ang alignment sa puso mo, kailangan mong tanggalin ang mga noises or mga emotional pressure. Okay? Para sa pagtatahimik mo when you are in silence, doon mo makikita o maririnig ang mga big revelation. So, with the Queen of Pentacles, this means na you value yourself first this month. Marami sa inyo Gemini, ma-realize nyo ito. So, ngayong buwan na ito, tuturuan ka ng universe na pakahalagahan ang sarili. Magkaroon, ma-realize nyo gaano kaalaga ang pagkakaroon ng boundaries or pagsiset ng boundaries at gaano kahalaga ang stability at ang emotional maturity. Hindi mo kailangang habulin ang relasyon, ma-realize nyo yan, o baka na-realize nyo na. And kailangan mo lang alagaan ang sarili mo, at kapag ginawa mo to, mas lalapit ang taong meant for you. Now, with the Ace of Cups, this means new love. Okay? And ito yung pinakamalakas na love card. Confirmation ito na may bagong pag-ibig, could also be new hope, new emotions. May bagong love energy sa paligid mo, may bagong emotional opening, may healing sa puso na nang mangyayari. May also may kilig or renewed intimacy, may deepening of connection. Pero kailangan mo munang mag-alone time para makareset ang puso mo. So, kumbaga, this is emotional rebirth. Now, with the Devil, okay, this is detaching from fear or toxic patterns. So, ito ang shadow side ng love life mo. Ang the Devil ay nag-uugnay sa jealousy, overthinking, emotional attachment, fear of losing someone, trauma sa mga past relationships, could also be insecurities or toxic cycles. So, ito ang dahilan kung bakit kailangan mo ng alone time. Hindi para lumayo, kundi para makahil. Kung may mga taong mahal mo, hindi ito pagputol, ito ay pag-ayos ng sarili mo para maging healthy ang relasyon o ang connection. Now, with the Hangman, again, this is a pause, right? Pause. This month, kumbaga, pause before making a decision para sa'yo. So, this month, for some of you, hindi advisable ang big decisions sa love. Okay, wag munang mag-demand, wag munang mag-confront, wag muna maghabol, wag muna mag-expect ng sagot right away. So, instead, observe muna, mag-reflect, try to understand, and allow clarity to come naturally. Kasi may malalim kang ma-realize tungkol sa taong iniisip mo. Okay, so overall prediction for you, Gemini, this December, this month is, if single ka, may healing from past heartbreak na mangyayari, may emotional clarity, may possible new love or admirer na darating. With the Ace of Cups, this could mean your romantic beginning, but you need alone time to be emotionally ready for this new person. The universe is preparing your heart for the right person. Now, if you are in a relationship, kailangan mo ng space para hindi lumala ang misunderstandings. Clarity will come once you both calm down. May chance of reconciliation or renewed love. Now, with the Devil, avoidance, okay, of repeating past mistakes ang kailangan. With the Hangman, pause muna, not break up. This is a pause, not breakup for some of you. With the Ace of Cups, this is emotional renewal after the pause. This is a healing month for couples as well. Now, if in a complicated or no label connection, with this card, if in a again, kailangan mo ng clarity. Ano ba talaga ang gusto mo? Okay, for those of you, if you are in a complicated or no label connection, ano ba talagang gusto mo? Ano ba ang deserve mo? Magiging malinaw ang intentions niya after mo mag-step back. Okay, the Hangman, this is a moment of revelation. The Devil, avoid becoming emotionally dependent. Now, with the Ace of Cups, a sweet reconnection is possible. So, paglayo mo ng konti, mas lalapit siya. And ang guidance sa'yo dito, Gemini, is take time alone, not to withdraw, okay, but to understand yourself more deeply. So, wag ipilit this month ang hindi ready. Wag habulin ang energy na lumalayo. Wag papasok ulit sa cycle ng the devil energy. Choose peace, choose healing, choose self-worth. So, Gemini, the right person for you will match your healed heart, not your wounded one. Okay, so, alam mo, ngayon December 2025, hindi ka iiwan ng universe pagdating sa pag-ibig. Instead, binibigyan ka ng space para mag-heal kasi, di ba, may Ace of Cups, may love blessing na paparating or babalik. Okay. Alright, Gemini, punta tayo sa next. Last but not the least, you have the Student for your money and career. Now, ngayong buwan, Gemini, ngayong buwan ng December 2025, ang career at money energy mo ay umiikot sa learning new skills, upgrading knowledge, financial discipline, at major realizations tungkol sa future direction mo. The universe is positioning you for long-term stability, pero kailangan ng openness to learn, mag-adjust, at mag-level up. So, main message ng Oracle card na student, ang student card ay hindi nangangahulugang literal na pag-aaral lang. Okay? Ito ay simbolo ng growth, learning, mentorship, skills upgrading, financial wisdom, new strategies. So, December is a month of observing new knowledge para lumakas ang earning potential mo. So, sinasabi ng universe sa'yo, you outgrow your old career patterns by learning something new. Okay, so, now, with the Queen of Pentacles, with the Queen of Pentacles, this is financial stability and practical success. So, ito ang strongest money card sa spread mo. This month, may financial stability, may better money management, more business opportunities, increased self-confidence sa skills mo, and growth sa career or side hustle. Pero dahil partnered ito with student, ang mensahe ay mas aangat ka kapag nag-improve ka ng skills, ng knowledge, or strategy. Okay? Now, with the Ace of Cups, this means new work inspiration or new work opportunity. So, may bagong simula sa career mo, like bagong idea, bagong project, bagong client, bagong offer, bagong motivation, o biglang resurgence ng passion sa ginagawa mo. This is a very positive card. May emotional satisfaction ang trabaho mo this month. Ito rin ang sign na kung may gusto kang simulan, December is the spark. Now, with the Devil energy, this means money habits that need adjustment for you. So, ito ang warning. Okay? Warning for overspending, impulsive business decisions, financial habits, old financial habits, or procrastination, yung bang manyana habit, ayan, feeling stuck sa same routine or repeating the same money mistakes. So, ang student card is your solution. If you are may problema ka sa overspending, yung mga nabanggit ko. Okay, so mag-aral ng bagong paraan, new system, new habits, new discipline. The devil does not mean loss. Okay, it means you must break a cycle to grow financially. Now, with the Hangman, Gemini, this means pause. For some of you, it could also be redirection or perspective shift. So, sa career, hindi lahat ng gusto mo ay agad mangyayari. May waiting period. May divine delay para maghanda ka muna. May moment of clarity tungkol sa direction na talahakin mo. And sa kaperahan mo or in money, in your money aspect, pag-aaral ng bagong budgeting system. Okay, ito yun. Ito yung pag-aaral ng bagong budgeting system. Pagre-reflect muna before investing and rethinking strategies. So the Hangman plus student, this means study first, decide later. Okay, so this saves you from financial mistakes. So overall, money and career prediction mo for December 2025. So finances mo, stable pero kailangan ng disiplina. More income potential, avoid overspending on emotions. Magandang month para mag-save at mag-invest. Seek financial advice if needed. May opportunities na mag-unfold. Sa career and business, may new opportunities or ideas. May mga improve skills. This means improve income. May guidance from a mentor or expert. May breakthrough sa tamang timing. May work satisfaction na mas tataas. Or your work satisfaction mo will be higher. And you are being prepared for a long-term upgrade. So the student card confirms na may matutunan ka na magagamit mo sa career mo, or sa negosyo mo, or sa business mo, or sa money matters. Okay, may training, workshop, study, or self-learning. Pag-aaral ng marketing, strategy, or technical skills. Becoming more financially literate, pagiging open sa mentorship. So, kumbaga, the universe is upgrading your knowledge so it can upgrade your money flow. So, sa spirituality, ang guidance mo dito is hindi ka stuck. Naghahanda ka. Every lesson leads to prosperity. So, huwag magmadali with the hangman, okay? Excuse me. Huwag magpadala sa old habits with the devil. Improve your skill set with the student card and trust your ability with the Queen of Pentacles energy, and follow your inspiration with the Ace of Cups. Your success in year 2026, Gemini, depends on the learning you do in December 2025, this month. So December is a month of reset, learning, and stability building para sa Gemini. Hindi pa ito full breakthrough month, pero ito ang foundation month para sa malaking career growth mo next year, moving forward next year 2026. So ayan, So, Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus placement, yan po ang mga mensahe, gabay at kapalaran para sa iyo para sa buwan ng Disyembre 2025. Let me know if nag-resonate sa iyo ang reading. Like this video if nagustuhan niyo at mag-comment kayo if may gusto kayong i-claim sa baba. Now, for those of you na gustong magpabook ng Destiny Path reading, right? Iba po ito sa tarot, private tarot reading kasi ang private tarot reading, kailangan ninyong mag-submit ng ipapahula. Sa Destiny Path reading, ako ang bahala na sabihin anong kapalaran ninyo, anong lalabas sa baraha o sa oracle, ano ang especially for those of you na feeling stuck, right? So for more information about the newest service ko online, of course, it's 2,500. Okay. Ayan. Punta lang po kayo sa Bonum Magos PH. Actually, nakapost din ito sa aking YouTube channel sa community. Alright, community tab. Alright. So, but if you want more information about this service, new service, this Destiny Path reading, ayan, basahin nyo lang po. Punta lang kayo sa Bonum Magos PH Facebook page ko. Yung may blue check po, ha? Kasi, para ingat sa scam. Kasi may mga gumagaya sa akin. Pero, yung akin talaga may blue check. Verified yan ni Meta. And my name is Angel Francia Feliciano. Okay, walang ibang pangalan. Magre-receive lang yung payment ako. Walang iba. Alright? So, if you want, gusto nyo magpa-book, okay, booking is, processing is 4 to 7 days. Depende po so kung ilan na nakabook. So, around that week. So, if you want to book, gusto nyo magpa-book, magpa-schedule ng Destiny Path reading or private tarot reading or Akashic, or aura reading, o ano pa mga services na meron ako. If you want to know more, inquire about this, that, ayan, magpunta lang sa Bonum Magos PH Facebook page. Okay, official Facebook page, yung may blue check. Now, for those of you na naghahanap ng mga premium collection crystal bracelet or other crystal bracelet na makakatulong sa pinoproblema niyo sa career, sa love life, sa money, pampaswerte, protection. If you're looking, ayan, you can browse my products here sa YouTube. Meron na pong product. Meron ng YouTube store. Meron ng store ang YouTube. Alright? So, ayan, dito, nakalink dito ang website ko. So, ayan, you just browse and then, andyan na yung price, andyan, napaka-importante po na basahin yung description ng item para makita nyo ang benefits ng mga crystals, ng bracelets, ng item na gusto nyo bilhin. And then, if yan ang hinahanap nyo din, if you want to buy, if you've decided to buy, take a screenshot sa mga items na gusto nyo bilhin, ipadala po sa Facebook page ko, Bonum Magos PH. I-message nyo sa akin doon ang mga screenshot. And we'll go from there. Okay, doon ang transaction natin or ang pagproseso. So, maraming salamat. Again, for more inquiries, questions, or concerns, don't forget to just message me. Feel free to message me sa Bonum Magos PH Facebook page. Maraming salamat, Gemini. And I hope to see you again next time. Ingat po kayo and God bless.